Today we're removing the front door panel and speaker from a Hyundai Sonata. We're going to remove the screws around the edge of the panel, securing it to the door. At the back top edge is a small screw. We're going to pry the cover from the screw with a small flathead screwdriver, remove the screw and this collar. Moving to the bottom front edge of the door panel will be a second Phillips screw we're going to remove from this door panel. Moving up the front edge is a second screw with a cap and cover. We're going to pry and remove the screw and the collar. With these removed, take your small flathead screwdriver and move to the door handle area. There is a small panel here. We're going to pry the back edge of this panel from the door. It will hinge open. You can remove this hidden screw with your screwdriver, and once the screw is removed, with your pry bar, gently pry the front edge of this panel from the door, working down the top and bottom of this panel, releasing it from the door panel. Pull out on the door handle itself. This will help loosen this panel and pull it out and release it from the door and set it to the side. With our flathead screwdriver, we're going to move to the armrest and the bottom of the handhold and pry another screw cover from the bottom of this opening. With this removed, you can remove the hidden screw at the bottom of this opening. With your pry bar, move to the bottom back edge of the door panel. Pry the door panel from the door. This will release clips. Work your way across the bottom of the door panel, up the back edge, and up the front edge of this panel, releasing these clips. With all these clips released, you can pull the bottom of the door panel slightly away from the door. Check that the door handle will clear the opening in the door panel, and lift this door panel straight up out of the window jamb. Pull this panel slightly backwards. There are several connections here we need to disconnect. At the control panel, we have the one main connector here. Locate the connector, squeeze the trigger at the side of this connector in to release the lock and remove this connector. This should allow you to set the door panel to the side. Check the door for any door panel clips that remained on the door. Pry these clips from the door and place them back on the door panel in their corresponding places. This is a 6.5-inch speaker. You will have to drill the rivets out that secure it to the door. You may need riser rings depending on depth of aftermarket speakers. Again, this is a 6.5-inch speaker. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.